Welcome to the Wall Street Redneck channel. Just wanted to welcome you guys. I'm looking to try to get ready to make a trade. So I'm fixing to make a trade. I've got a little setup that's been showing up here. Looks like it's doing some consolidation, trying to build out a little momentum. Look like we want to try to place a buy, but I got to sort of see how this candle reacts. I want to get me a good entry from a rotation point. If you look at the right side, we're looking at about an 80 to 20 rotation, looking at those whole numbers. If you notice on my chart, I usually keep a naked chart. I don't like a lot of stuff on my chart, so I use TradingView for my indicators, and then I'll go ahead and I've built these indicators for many years I've been trading, and it falls into my strategy. If you'd like to learn more about that, just put you a comment in the bottom. I'm looking to try to build a community here, share that strategy with people, see if we can't make some money together. So a lot of times when I'll go ahead and place an entry, you got to be patient. So I got a little app on my phone. I might be looking at YouTube. I might be looking at an app on my phone. I got an app playing blackjack. So you probably won't even be able to see it, but it's a little blackjack app. Um, at $50 a hand, I've been doing this so many years. I'm over $3.5 billion. Boy, I wish that was real money. Now that'd be something. So that just sort of takes my mind off of my entry, gives me a good idea, just to stay distracted. Patience is not something that's easy for no matter what you're doing. But when you start messing with money, especially I'm messing with my money, I'm really wanting to make sure I just stay distracted, sort of see what it is. We don't know if this entry is going to go down. It might not ever hit that entry. It might just fall down lower. So I'll usually get on my phone. I'll play a little bit of blackjack.
Stop film.
Oh, got us an entry. So now that we got an entry, we need to have this strategy together, because when I set this up and saw this consolidating, I knew I wanted to try to get me a little bit of movement upward. And I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to put it around that 15 level. If you look left, it'll show you some of these candles where you want to be looking for. And then I don't need to get all the way to the 20. I've got two. Yeah, went ahead and entered me with two minis. I always want to put my stop loss. I'll put that a little lower here. I like to keep it below those candles, but right at the middle of my channel. So if we break back below that, that's an invalid trade. Don't matter anyways. We'll just look for the next one. So one of the things we do is just try to stay distracted, let it do its thing. I'm sure I might even have to edit this video if I try to do a short or a reel, just because it might take a while. We'll see what happens. We'll see how that plays out and go from there. But for those of you just now tuning in to Wall Street Redneck, that's been my nickname for years. I've been in finance for many years. So I've helped people learn how to trade, friends, family, etc. I've had people look me up on the internet, knew I lived in the same area that they did, and wanted to ask me about how to learn. Matter of fact, one of my students that I've helped do that found me on the internet that way. So he reached out to me and asked me if I could help him, and I started doing that, and boy, I sure am proud of him. He has a full-time job, does it on the side. I think his first 2 months this year, he'd made right around $19,000. Now, that's a pretty good bit of extra income, help you out, make a big difference in your life. So I'm here to tell you that I really enjoy teaching. If I miss part of my calling, I don't really want it to be a teacher, but I enjoy teaching. And in finance, you find a lot of people that are interested in either how to invest their money or how to spend their money to help it grow in different areas of investments. I just enjoy doing it. I've been doing it so many years. I enjoy helping people. So that's what this whole social media thing's about. Just I had several friends that said, you need to do it. You enjoy doing it. You've helped so many people. And I'm looking to do the same thing and grow a community, grow this community large, start sharing how to teach with all the indicators that I've taken from the many years of my experience and put it on a chart. And fortunately, I've kept up with technology all these years, and it's helped me out. and I just take it, instead of trading from a floor, trade right on the computer. So it's so much easier, so much nicer to do it this way. I've always enjoyed keeping up with the technology and making it happen. And it looks like we got a little trade moving up too. I never look at my P&L. If you trade your P&L, you'll lose your mind, because it's like money. You're dealing with your money here, and you don't want to see that go away. Now, when I usually get up this far, I don't like to give it away, so I'll move my stop loss up. Give us a little bit of profit. If it comes back down and hits that, fine, that's no big deal. But if it goes on up and hits our initial take profit, that way my stop loss is in the money a little bit. If it hadn't had moved up to that whole number, that was at 400, looks like we're going to try to break through that 400 and push on up. There's a lot of stops. People put those stops right at those levels. I'll tell you how to make money. Trade where people put their stops. It'll blow right through it. Take those stops. You'll take their money. So that'll give you a good idea on how to place your stops. I usually put it around break even, just a little bit. This one a little bit above it to give me a little bit of profit. So just that way it works itself out. And like I said, you see me looking down. I'm messing with my phone. Might watch YouTube, do something else, depending on how long the trade's going to be. We'll just see how it works out. Like I said, I probably will have to edit this video. Go ahead and cut it to a shorter part. I'll probably put it on a regular video for my YouTube and my Facebook, just to show socials. I've already got those set up. We'll see how that all works out. And so make sure to like and subscribe. Keep up with the Wall Street Redneck. Learn how to trade. Learn how to capture that money in the market. You know, nothing's made until something's lost. So hate to say it, but there's somebody's losing money when I make money. And if it hits this take profit, there's a perfect example. Somebody lost money while I made money. Nothing bought till something sold. So that's just a fact in life in general. So just make sure that you like and subscribe and follow. Let's see if we can't hit this take profit. Come on now. We'll see what happens. All right.
Order filled.
Okay, it looks like we went ahead and hit our order. I didn't even look. I just know the points that we got there. So we probably made a little bit of money. Looks like it probably, based on the points, it's around maybe $1,400 or something like that. Like I said, don't trade your P&L. Just look for points. When I fully described what I was looking for in this trade, I looked for a move from the 80 to 20 area. I probably got in close to that 79. Ooh, I need to take my stop loss off so they don't come back down and fill that, try to mess me up from there. Let's see. But anyway, that's what we're looking to do. Just try to share some of this knowledge, help people grow, learn how to trade, have a little good time, and sort of take some of that brain transfer from all these years from the Wall Street Redneck and see if you can learn to make some money. And I'm looking to make people profitable. There's no sense in teaching. You can learn all you want, but if you can't apply it, it don't do you no good. So let's see if we can't make you profitable and help you get on your journey into trading. So until next time, we'll see y'all later. Y'all have a great, blessed day.